Hello everyone. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today, we're going to draw Sprigatito, the grass starter from Pokemon Scarlet Violet version. First, change the background color to gray. Then create new layer for the rough sketch. Since the early evolution of Pokemon are not very complicated, we must pay attention to the proportion only. You can add the details later. Basically, Sprigatito head is bigger than its body. Pay attention to that. Now the sketch layer is perfect. We will continue to create the final outline. First, turn down the opacity of sketch layer to 40%. Then, create new layer for the outline. Now the outline layer is perfect. Time to color it. First, set the outline layer as reference, like the image above. Then, create new layer for the mid-tones color. Remember that one layer only for one color. It's make you easier to change the color later. When you are done with the mid-tone color, add another new layer above every color, and set them as clipping mask. Then, add darker color to make the shadow tone. Remember to imagine where the light will come from. Repeat these steps to create more shadow tone, or the highlight tone. My tips is you have to imagine where the light will come from. You do that, then the coloring is the most fun part in drawing. That's it for today. Thank you guys for watching and learning. And see you in the next video.